how to use Coinbase.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase easy and fast. So first thing, go to Coinbase.com and create your accounts. It's easy. Now if you get into your account, here you will find your total balance, and here you will find your watch list cryptos. And if you want to start trading on the Coinbase, just go here on the trade option, and here you go. It will take you here. You can start trading Bitcoin, for example. Click on it, and as you can see, now you can buy this or sell easy and fast on Coinbase. And if you want to see the settings of your account, just go here to the top corner and click on the settings option. Right here you can change your name, your email, your profile picture, or you can go to the preferences right here, change the local currency, and here you will find the notifications. And also here you can add your payment method, easy and fast. And also if you want to see your privacy options, you can go to privacy. And also if you want to send or receive money here on Coinbase, just go to the top and click on send/receive. Now here you can send money, and as you can see, you can choose the amount of money to and the note. If you want to receive, just send this is your QR code, and this is your address, your Bitcoin address. Don't forget to like and subscribe.